Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add the screen recording to your control center. So this is on iPhone 12 series, so this is iPhone 12 mini. As you can see, there is no screen recording for new iPhone. So all you have to do, you go to settings, here settings, and then go to control center, scroll down to control center here. So as you can see, those apps added to control center. We need to add what we want to add. So here the screen recording is not added. You need to tap on plus to add the screen recording. Tap on plus for screen recording, and now you see the screen recording has been added. You go back to main menu and then control, then the screen recording has been added to your control center. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.